Okay. Um, Hello everyone. My name is Nick. We are excited to present our project building a deployment and automation system CI/CD for a Laravel and React.js application. Um, we are a team of GS working together to create a fully automated and deployment system for web application. Uh, my group had 4 people, Ngô Minh Nhật, Võ Văn Hợp, Bùi Văn Nhật, and Ngô Bá Đức. Um, what what will we cover today? This is a table of content. Uh, First, one introduction uh, to the technology stage. 3. CI/CD pipeline. Uh, 4. Interest cloud deployment. 5. Security best practice. 6. Challenge and solution. 7. Con solution and future efficiency and demo. The first introduction. 1. Overview of the process. Automate deployment for Laravel and React.js web app using Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, MySQL Unix, and so fast, scalable, and reliable deployments. 2. Important of CI/CD in modern web application. Uh, CI/CD automates testing and deployment, reducing managed errors, enable faster updates, minimize the downtime, and better scalability. Used by Netflix, Amazon, Google for continuous deliveries. 3. Objects of the deployment and automation system. Automate the CI/CD pipeline with Jenkins. Ensure consistency with Docker Kubernetes. Improve scalability and performance on its AWS. Change security with IAM, SSL, and TLS, and needs reduce deployment time and manage human resource. The next technology stage. First front end um, React.js, powerful JavaScript library for building dynamic and responsive user interface, provide a component-based tutor for readability and maintainability. Second, backend use Laravel, a PHP framework now for its elegant syntax and intensive built-in function like ensure security, performance, and accident API development. And let's log one database. Use MySQL, reliable and you relational database and management system. Support complex queries and ensure data integrity, um, containerization, and orchestration. Docker and Kubernetes. Docker use ensure consistency across different deployment and production environment. Kubernetes automates deployment, scaling, and manage CI/CD to Skid automates software deployment process, including testing, building, and deployment. It can deployment apps efficient through continuous integration and delivery. Uh, Cloud service AS, AWS, S3, EC2, IAM, um, S, S3, SQL, and Scalable Object Storage. EC2 provide, provides flexible and reliable cloud computer capacity. IAM manage asset permission and security scaling too. And the last one là web server networking is in a configuration with high performance web server and reverse proxy in a configuration answer for proper domain name resolution and network connectivity.
Next, my name is Võ. I present CI/CD, pipeline implementation, and infrastructure and cloud deployment. First, CI/CD pipeline implementation, continuous integration (CI), source management GitHub or GitLab for version control, automate testing, run units, and integration tests on code changes. Continue deployment CD, Docker containerization, package Laravel and React.js into container, Kubernetes deployment, manage scale container efficiently, Jenkins automation, build, test, and deploy automatically, pipeline configuration, define CI/CD step for seamless updates, webhook and build trigger, automate deploy on code changes. Second, infrastructure and cloud deployment, cloud platform, AWS for hosting and scalability, computer, EC2 instances for application deployment, Docker, Airflow for static asset and backup, IAM and security management, asset control and permission, database, MySQL on AWS, RDS for reliable data strongest, networking, router 53 for DNS management, container orchestration, Kubernetes to manage deployment, infrastructure as code, Terraform or Ansible for automation, Kubernetes deployment on AWS, EKS, Kubernetes, KSS, make container management and application scaling, Alien, Docker, Compose. Next, NixXS reverse-proxy. What is reverse-proxy? It is as a bridge between the user and the backend. It helps distribute requests to the backend, caching and speeding up the application while the loss between servers.
My name is Bùi Văn Nhật. I'm present security best practice and jungle and solution and solution and router assessment, security and best practice, security API case and environment variable, strong sanity information in Wi-Fi, user AWS secret manager or Valun and boy hack coding cadence central roller-based access controller with AN implement list private language access user IA and roulette and policy to restrict and necessary permission NSL and telnet configuration for HTTPS in for HTTPS with NSL and telnet certificate to security data in transit and prevent security vulnerability. Uh, Challenger and solution. Common ensure during CA and CD implementation, deployment failure, missing config in Jenkins, Docker, or Kubernetes, scaling duty ensure high traffic, consume performance, broadcast, security, constant user access, and vulnerability, uh, network and DNS alignment, mid config, Nugget and router 53, how they were resolver, uh, automatic testing and monitor to catch error early, Kubernetes auto scaling to handle traffic speed, and Polyset and SL select Python for secure access, proper C and CD Pearson configuration for stable development, consultation and router element center. Some summary of the deployment process. The deployment process involves setting up the infra config CA and CD personalized containerizing application and managing cloud resource for similar operation. Uh, Possible environment, auto scaling, implement dynamic scaling to handle traffic, fluctuation, fix uh, code operation, reducing cloud open auto resource monitoring and overriding security in segment, strengthen AM policy, enabling documentation and improving access controller, monitor and logging, interact about advanced monitoring took live parameters and graph for better observability.
My name is Nhật, and firstly, I will talk about demo, and this in my resource. My resource using Laravel is backend and React frontend, and I using Docker to containing the coding to can running any environment. Uh, this is a step by step to running the project. Uh, Option one to running project to local. Uh, First, click clone. Second, create of a dot .env file, copy content from env dot assemble and update the value. Three, install composer and update. Uh, and the and step 4 to step 7 use using command line to display in screen. And option 2 um, this option to deploy uh, to running product process with Docker, and this is my step by step I present in screen. Um, about AWS, I using uh, EC2 server and to deploy publish product, and I using command line docker ps to display container running. And but when I deploy the project to AWS server, it's not working, and I don't understand why it doesn't work. Uh, so I just demo the process on local. Uh, this is my demo process on local running by Docker. Uh, my screen is presented containing container Docker running on my local with Laravel React app and service and uh, Docker database. So this is to do app example. such great detail and looking from register form. So it's just example.